Parang nakaka-nervyos. Nervyos talaga ako. Pero bali, kaya to. Actually, itong speech na to, na-surprise lang ako eh. Anyway, it's okay. Brothers and sisters, good evening, brothers and sisters.
Good evening.
Guests, first and foremost, I would like to take this opportunity to recognize our newly elected officers who have successfully and diligently discharged their duties and responsibilities to make these unforgettable moments of the 75th anniversary of APO Philippines under the leadership of our honorable brother, President Il Duco. 40 years, I am deeply grateful for the privilege of being a member of the esteemed Alpha Phi Omega. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the founder of APO Philippines, Dr. Lebrado Oreta, on March 2, 1950. The brothers who gave us the inspiration and opportunity to lead and guide others on the right path. With their providing unwavering support, together we have achieved extraordinary success in our professional lives. While some brothers and sisters may not have achieved the same level of success or wealth, we stand by our commitment to support them with a blessing we have been blessed to receive in the way we are able. In the spirit of continuity, let us strive to put into practice the valuable lessons and principles we have learned, ensuring a bright future for the generations that will lead our esteemed organization, Alpha Phi Omega International. To foster a harmonious environment, let us prioritize clear communication, mutual respect, and appreciation. Remember, naubat lang.
36 yung mic na ito. 36?
Hello. Remember, we are the only ones who truly empathize with each other's challenges. May we thrive contributing to the overall success of APO worldwide. It is with great pleasure and gratitude that I, as the founder of APO Qatar 97, acknowledge the significant progress we have made. I extend my sincere appreciation to our esteemed past presidents, especially Brad Paeng Baleno.
Stand up, please, stand up, please, stand up.
The dedicated officers who diligently fulfilled their duties and responsibilities, and the entire team who tirelessly contribute their efforts throughout the year 2024. The successes we have achieved would not have been possible without tireless support and cooperation of our beloved brothers and sisters. On this very important occasion, I extend my heartfelt congratulations and best wishes to everyone on the 75th Alpha Phi Omega Founding Anniversary Philippines. May we continue to grow and achieve greater heights in the years to come. Thank you, and may APO continue to thrive. God bless us all.